closing all the blinds just so you could sleep the night through. I was staying by your side just so I knew you were okay. And I was opening the door just to see if you would walk through. I started painting on the walls just to see if you like the shade. I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else. It's enough just to keep us occupied these days.
This is us after the first parasitology.
So we have here the intact skin.
18 when we're undergrad, stayed up late, never made it to class. Out of Richmond in a taxi cab, you were spreading bullets in the way to my dad's door. You said, baby, think you're moving too fast. I swear the magno.
Hello guys, today is Thursday and hindi na ako masyad nakapag-video nung Wednesday kasi sobrang daming ganap at saka andun pa yung hangover sa puyat ko nung Tuesday. Kasi like nung Tuesday ang daming inaral for parasitology and we also had our practical sa parasitology and although okay naman yung result, mataas naman ako, confident naman si Bading. It's just that nakaka-drain, nakakaubos siya ng energy. So, nung Wednesday, parang ilaan ko siya more on paglalaro ng volleyball kasi yun yung PE namin. And, yeah, yun lang. And it's already 2:36. Today is Thursday and kailangan ko mag-review kasi may exam kami sa night class namin mamaya and syempre dadala ko kayo. Bye!
And then we also have your active processes. Phagocytosis, we have your phagocytosis.
That's when it caught me hoping you'd stay a while, stay a while. Baby, I gave up anything to try inside you.
So ayun, nakasagot ako sa recitation at hindi ako nung tayo na-discuss yun.
Every summertime, my daddy taught me to choose so wisely, but you don't have to try. 'Cause baby, I fall in love every summertime. 25 of them in church, laugh about everyone we're hating at work. Dinner with your sister and the jokes gotta hurt. Cry the way home and you're putting me first. Oh, oh, yeah, we just always know what to say.
You're right! Ano kumakain ng damo?
Strolling down the boulevard and dancing on the street lights. Oh, the lights. Every year we get older and closer on your side. Oh, baby, I give up anything to travel inside tonight. Baby, I fall in love again from every summertime. My daddy told me to choose something that you don't have to try. 'Cause baby, I fall in is summertime. Every day is summertime with you. Oh, every day is summertime. Every day is summertime. You. I'm familiar with unrequited. I know you got a heart that's undecided, just like mine. It takes its sweet time.
Guys, today is Monday. I just got home. So, nakita niyo naman sa clip kanina sa labas ako, nasa tugi ako. Pero, like, merong mga araw talaga na kahit sobrang kailangan mo mag-aral, hindi ka mentally capable to do it and emotionally stable to study it. So, sobrang importante na hindi lang dapat physical health nyo yung ready to nagre-review kayo, pati yung mental health and emotional health nyo. Kasi factors din yan para makapag-concentrate. But, you know, hindi pa naman tapos ang araw. Meron pa akong ilang hours pa na natitira ngayong gabi. And feel ko mababawi ko naman yun kasi feel ko okay naman na ako. So, yeah, I'll update you if nakabawi na ako.
I've been trying to dive into the deep end, 'cause I don't really wanna lose a good friend, but I might find something different. It's electric every time we touch. I've been living for this head rush, but sometimes it's too much. If we never try.
So, ayun pala guys, instead na going to school, kasi yung next class ko pa is PE, 3 o'clock. So, it's already 9. So, instead of going to school, I'll review na lang here sa bahay para hindi na ako gumastos sa cafe and sa food ko mamayang lunch. Kasi lately, I spend a lot of money na overexpend ko na yung allowance ko and yung mga sweldo ko sa commission. And I am saving for something, kaya, yeah. It's better for me to just stay home and study. And later on, dadalhin ko pa rin naman kasi school. Yeah, that's just it.
How will we know, baby, how far this thing could go? Give me a sign if I'm on your mind. I don't wanna fall in love alone. I wish that I could tell what you.
So, ayun guys, punta na tayong school kasi yun na yung ilang days natin pinaghandaan at iniyakan is coming. So, yung exam ko is dalawa. Yung exam for laboratory and lecture for parasitology. Tapos, tatlo pala kasi mag-quiz pa kami ng lab.
Palatay basang-basa ang dagit apa'y damang-dama sa aking kalamnang punong-puno ng
Hello guys,
panalangit
I'm with my friend. She noticed that I'm not okay lately, so yeah. She thanks a drink and everything. And
sa iyo
ay, naka-vlog ko.
lakad ka ng dahan-dahan sa pasilyo kung saan ng simbahan. Hahal ka na, di ka
My dentist is not around. My dentist is not around. So, baka Sunday pa daw. Sunday na ako nagpa-appoint. So, yeah. Tara, kain. Ito ako kumakain. Ang
init. Pupunta ako ng McDo para gawin yung love manual ko kasi hindi ko pa pala nagawa. Tapos ganyan yung pasahan, shootang ina. Wala na kong mahihiling pa, ikaw at ikaw. Ikaw at ikaw. Ikaw at ikaw. Ikaw at ikaw. Di maikukumpara, araw-araw kong dala-dala paboritong panalangin ko'y makasama ka sa pagtanda. Ang hiling sa Diyos na may kawaapin, lido ko'y maging iyo.